So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in File Explorer. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC, and then you want to find the drive you're having a problem with. It's most likely going to be a Windows drive. It should have the Windows logo right here. You want to right click on it, and then click on Properties, and then click on Tools, and then under Error Checking, you want to click on Check, and then click on Scan Drive. While the scan is running, you could just minimize everything, and then we can just move on to the next step after that. If there's any problems that have been detected, it will tell you and it will try to fix it for you. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and then type in CMD, then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in chdsk space/f space/r and click on enter. Now once this comes up, you want to type in Y and then click on enter. And now you want to type in sfc space/scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in this video. Also, on this first scan, it's going to ask you to restart your computer. Don't do it yet until you complete the next steps in the video. And now you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. You want to run it as administrator again. Click on yes. And now we're going to type in dism space/online space/cleanup -image space/restore health and click on enter. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates and do the updates your computer may have. Now once you complete all these steps and the scans have all been done, you want to restart your computer and then your problem should be fixed.